Whoa! Oh my gosh. Wow, ang hirap buksan. Hey, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do a product unboxing. So I went to the mall today and I didn't really have any intention to buy anything because nagtitipid ako. But I saw this product and I immediately remembered the Instagram stories of one of my favorite beauty vloggers. A few days ago, Anna Kai posted about this makeup product because a lot of people were commenting and praising her smooth and glowing skin. She said that she was using this cushion, and I think the brand is, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, Snowdy. So when I saw it at the mall, na-intriga talaga ako, so I immediately bought it. So I tried to Google it just to know a little bit more about the product, but ang hirap makahanap na information about it. For some reason, not a lot of people really post about it. But what I do know is, Snowdy isn't actually the real name. Well, it is the real name, but it was formerly known as Lael. I'd like to think that I'm pretty familiar with a lot of Korean makeup products, but this is something completely new to me. So if any of you guys know any information about this makeup product or this makeup brand, please let me know in the comment section down below because I'm having such a hard time Googling and knowing more about the brand. So as I said, today we're going to do an unboxing video and kaninang-kanina ko pa ito gusto buksan. Kaya lang, I really wanted to go through this process with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we get right down to the details, I want to tell you guys first where I got it. So I was at the Shangri-La Mall in EDSA Mandaluyong and I found it at the park. So that's at the new wing of the mall. Kaya lang, isa na lang yung nakita ko item na to. So if you guys want to go there and try to find it and buy it there, I don't really know if they're going to restock. Akala ko it's a cushion that's self-adapting, but I found out later when I saw this item on Shopee na meron palang 3 shades to. Let's just hope that I got the right shade for my skin tone. So if you guys ever happen to go to the Shangri-La Mall and try to find it there and nakita nyo na hindi naman sila nag-restock, you can always find it at Shopee. A lot of people are selling it there. Now let's go to the details. The item comes in this big, bulky box. Nagulat rin ako. Akala ko nga nung una hindi siya cushion. Akala ko parang magic cream or like a moisturizer. I bought this product for 750 pesos and I think it's the same price everywhere. I think some people sell it at wholesale and Shopee for 720, but if you buy just one item, it's 750 as well. So I don't feel so bad about buying it in the mall kasi pareho lang siya online. So the front packaging basically says the brand name, Snowdy, Milk, Natural Milk Soft Cushion, and sa baba, nakalagay Tia Story, Say You. Let me know if you guys have any interesting stories, information, or experiences about this brand in the comment section. Ayan na, mag-unbox na tayo. Sobrang excited ko talaga, guys. Inintay ko talaga to. So while I'm taking out the sticker, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about the product. So basically, everything that's written on the box is in Korean, so I don't really read or understand Korean, but there are a few descriptions about it that are in English. So what it says is it's whitening, anti-wrinkle care, and UV protection SPF 50. And the description is it's milk protein extract, 15 milligrams. So talagang the bulk of this product is milk. From what I remember, and I read a lot about ingredients and beauty products, milk is very hydrating. And also if you have some redness or irritations, especially acne, milk products are said to calm down those redness and other skin blemishes. Yan, nabuksan ko na siya. Oh, it's so cute! So this is what it looks like inside. So ito na mismo yung cushion niya. And there's something at the bottom. Hindi ko alam kung karton lang to o baka may... okay. So under the cushion back, there's actually a cardboard layer. And under that cardboard, there is a foil or aluminum wrapper. This is how they usually package yung mga refill. So I'm betting that this is a refill. In my opinion, for 750 pesos, meron ka ng cushion pack and the refill. Sobrang sulit na nun kasi merong mga nagbebenta ng ganito from other brands na mas mahala, abutin ka ng mga 1,000 plus pesos. So the packaging is mainly black and white. It's very clean and minimalistic to look at, and the pack is mostly made out of like a plastic glass material. So like I said earlier, since I'm not familiar with this brand at all, I took a gamble and just bought it, not knowing that there are 3 shades being sold of this online. It says on the box that it's in number 21, which I finally found on Shopee. It's in a very pinkish and light beige tone. I've never seen any swatch of it, and from that description pa lang, medyo kinakabahan talaga ako kasi yellow ang undertone ko. Kaya let's just hope na magagamit ko to at hindi ko sinayang ang pera ko. So like any cushion compact, it also comes with a mirror, and meron siya nitong layer na to na naghihiwalay ng sponge and yung actual cushion. The product smells really, really good. It kind of reminds me of baby cologne. So now we're gonna swatch it. By the way, the only makeup that I have on my face is lip and cheek tint and my eyebrows. Pero wala akong ginamit na foundation, BB cream, or tinted moisturizer. So sometimes I like to put the base on top of the lip and cheek tint para magmumukha siyang glowing from within. Let's try. Oh my gosh, parang aputi ata nito. Let's try to blend it. Ang bango niya. Oh my gosh, I think sobrang puti niya ata. I can't really tell kung sobrang puti niya or talagang kininis niya yung mukha ko dahil wala nga akong base. So here's what I'm going to do to compare. I'm going to use the Snowdy cushion on this side, and on this side, I'm going to use my NARS Tinted Moisturizer. Kasi sure ako yung NARS skin tone ko talaga yon, pero itong Snowdy, medyo nagdududa ako. Parang feeling ko papasa naman siya na skin tone ko kasi acidic naman ako. Pero, I don't know, we'll see. I'm always a hit or miss in Korean cosmetics. Lalo na pagdating sa mga BB cream, cushion, foundation. Pero in fairness, sobrang nakikita ko sa viewfinder ngayon, ginagamit kong salamin yung viewfinder eh. Nakikita ko talaga sa viewfinder na parang sobrang kinis niya. And I only tapped it like 3 times total. And ang dami niya nang nako-cover. Ang ganda ng coverage niya. Alright, so ito yung Snowdy. And then, wow, puti! Wow. Okay, sobrang kinakabahan na ako kasi ayan, nakikita ko ng sobrang puti niya. So I'm gonna get my NARS Tinted Moisturizer first. I'm gonna be back. So I'm back and now I'm going to apply the NARS Tinted Moisturizer on this side of my face para lang ma-compare natin kung talagang maputi nga talaga siya. Although, maputi nga siya guys. At least si NARS, kahit light na ako ngayon, yellow undertone siya eh. I mean, papantay ba siya or something? This side is the Snowdy. This side is the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. Parang nagpantay naman siya. So I think the number 21 of Snowdy might work for me. But then nakikita ko lang siya sa viewfinder. So I have to let it set a little bit. Maybe I should put some setting spray para talagang makita natin kung paano siya tumatagal at taga-absorb sa skin ko. So let's do a close-up so you guys can compare and see the two products. Let's see kung talaga mas maputi nga si Snowdy o hindi or pareho lang. And also, let's compare the finish. This is Snowdy. To be honest, parang mas nagugustuhan ko pa si Snowdy kaysa kay NARS. NARS is actually 2,200 something pesos. Si Snowdy, 750 lang. Pero parang si Snowdy mas plakado yung itsura compared kay NARS. Let's see how it looks like with a full face. Like, what kind of full face? Let's put some bronzer and set it with a setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you think? So in my opinion, I really like how Snowdy looks like because para siyang plakadong-plakado, makinis, glowy, and I didn't even use concealer. Isang product lang yung ginamit ko. And what I love the most about it is that even though I have combination to oily skin type, the finish is semi-matte. So it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. It's the most ideal cushion I've ever tried. Probably the best thing next to the Maybelline cushion. I think the only downside I have to it is this number 21 shade, although it kind of looks similar with the NARS Tinted Moisturizer, which is in my shade talaga. The NARS Tinted Moisturizer has a yellow undertone, which is more fitting for me. But the Snowdy one has a pink undertone, kaya nararamdaman ko at medyo nakikita ko talaga yung difference na this is still more me compared to this one. Nakikita mo rin yung difference na ito mas close sa leeg ko. Kasi medyo nga yellow undertone, pero ito talaga nakikita mo yung kaputian niya. Well, at least I'm glad na magagamit ko pa naman tong cushion na to. So I'm kind of happy that the shade of this product isn't too far from my skin tone. I think pwede na siya. I just have to set it with a yellow powder like the Banai Banana powder. And I think I'm good to go. Honest review, I would rate it a 5 out of 5 stars. I absolutely love it. 750 pesos and you get a free refill. I have no cons about this product. I would just suggest that you try to search for your shade online before you actually buy it. I'd recommend this for girls with combination to oily skin type, but for people with dry skin, I'm not entirely sure because this has a semi-matte finish. So I don't know if this will truly cake up or make your skin dry after a while. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun unboxing this product. If you liked it, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification button to stay updated every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!